Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Now, while both agree that there's an ultra-aggressive style of play in the Red Stripe Premier League, Reggae Boys manager Roy Simpson and the Cavalier FC's technical director Rudolph Speed have different views on whether things are changing for the better. Speed has been critical of the reckless tackling and refereeing in the RSPL and recently labeled the competition a butcher's league, noting that injuries have been costly. Speed says he's standing by those comments.
Affected by thing because the second game of the tournament, one of my players' foot was broken, right? Clear stamp from behind, and the person got a yellow card for his trouble. Then the person just, scored a goal against us afterwards. That cost us a couple $100,000. Last 2 years ago, we had a knee injury that cost us over $1 million. So, yes, we have some young 17 and 18-year-old players, and when you see people leave the ball and come after them, just come after them, and then you see the unfolds, the clothesline. From a personal experience, I would probably make a comment like that.
But Reggae Boys team manager Roy Simpson says he doesn't believe the RSPL is a butcher's league, adding that he has seen improvement.
I think 3 years ago I would have agreed with Mr. Speed to say it's a butcher's league, but I think it's getting a little better. But Speed spoke in a different context. And some people will say it's because him lose the game too.
And he's speaking from experience. Who feels it knows it,
absolutely.
Right?
But I wouldn't say that. I think the players are understanding what we want to achieve, and that the league in itself has to reflect what we want at the national level, at the international level. But there are still some amount of things happening in the league that is not just conducive to good football.